Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are diving into the world of AI-powered creativity. If you're looking to create stunning images without breaking the bank, you are in the right place. We'll be exploring the top 5 free AI tools that let you generate images for free. So whether you're a content creator, designer, or just curious, these tools will help you unleash your imagination. Before we begin, if it's your first time here, make sure you subscribe for more tech and AI tips. Let's jump right in. Alright, before we begin, let's quickly generate a prompt so that we can create images in all the 5 tools. I'm using ChatGPT to create this prompt, so let us quickly copy the prompt that I've created in ChatGPT and let's dive into the tools. So the first tool that we're going to explore today is deepai.org. This is an awesome tool which is completely free. It lets you generate awesome images with the prompt that you're given. Let's quickly paste the prompt, and you also have options to choose between standard and HD modes, and you can also give preferences between speed and quality. There are also other options to choose between styles. Initially it did ask me to sign up when I clicked on styles, but later on I was able to move between different styles. If you want to unlock more styles, I guess you need to sign in, and there is an option also to choose the shape of the image that you want to generate. Let's go ahead and quickly hit the generate and see how the image gets generated. One drawback that I did find about this tool is a lot of ads in the page, which are quite annoying, but apart from that, everything is pretty good. So once the image is generated, you also have options to enhance it, remove background, and do other stuff. It also lets us download the image without signing in, which is pretty good. The image quality generated is pretty great, so it is definitely a must-try tool. Alright, let's move to the next one. The next tool is Crayon. Let me quickly paste the prompt that I have created in GPT. There are options to choose between photo, drawing, and vector and auto in this tool. Let me hit generate, and right here it's taking about 60 seconds to generate an image, which is quite some time. Let us check expert mode while the image gets generated. In the expert mode, you have options to choose between image size and also an option to import an image so that you can give a reference of how the image generated can look like. Once the image is generated, the quality is not that great, so I'm gonna hit upscale, which is again going to take 60 more seconds. Once the image is generated with high quality, it did not seem to have that great quality, but you have wide variety of images to choose from. That's one advantage of this tool. Up next is Artbreeder Prompter. So I'm gonna quickly paste the prompt that we have generated, and there are not much options here, but there is an option to upload a reference image if you want to have an image generated similar to the reference that you have. Then you also have option of advanced features where you can select between compute steps and so on. So the image generation is pretty quick, and the quality of image generated is great and is of usable state. So you can download this, and again this tool is something which you can use without signing in. So if you want to upscale it, it definitely requires signing in. Up next is Piclumen, one of my go-to tools for daily activities. It has wide variety of styles along with other options like attaching your image for reference. Also it has option to convert the prompt to other languages, and you also have option to choose between batch and single images, and alongside you also have various advanced features which could improve your image quality. So the image generation is pretty quick, and the quality that has been produced with this tool is great and is definitely worth to try out. Alright, the last one that we have in our list is Microsoft Designer, one of those fantastic tools that you should definitely try out. In this you have option to choose between different sizes that you want the image to be generated in, and you also have an option to refine your prompt to have more refined images, which is a great thing. So let us hit generate, and it's going to take a couple of minutes while it gets generated, but you have 15 free credits that is offered by Microsoft to make your prompt generate faster. So these are some awesome picks that you can definitely try generate using these 5 tools. With that, that's pretty much it I had for this video, guys. If you enjoyed this, drop a like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.